How to delete a blank page you can't delete in Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Word. Then, simply click on the page you want to delete. After that, go to Home at the top. In Home, you will find Show and Hide option. Click on Show and Hide button. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Backspace. After you click on backspace, this page will be deleted, as you can see. And if you still have other left, you can still do the same. Or if it's not working, simply click on the page and then press on backspace and you're good to go. As you can see, there is only one page left. And this is how to delete a blank page you can't delete in Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.